Welcome back, children. Back again with another video of Chapter 4 Basic Geometrical Ideas, Part 2. Today, we'll discuss about angles and types of angles. What is an angle? An angle is made up of two rays starting from a common end point. The two rays here, OA and OB, make an angle AOB. This is the angle AOB. We can also name it as BOA. We see many types of angles around us. We can see here the examples, the open scissors. You can see here this forms an angle here. The golf club, we play the golf with this here you can see this also, the shown in green color, this makes an angle here. And here also the chair, the sitting position here you can see here this also makes an angle here. So these are few examples of angles you see around. There are many such examples like the corner of your door, the corner of your table, top, all these forms an angle. How to name an angle? Naming an angle. Now here this is one ray, ray 1, ray 2 and the two rays where they meet, that point is called as the vertex. Now the vertex is the point where the two rays meet to form an angle. So you can see here this is the B is the vertex and BA and BC are the two rays and this is the angle formed ABC, or you can name it as CBA. Angle can be made in following ways: by three capital letters with the vertex letter in the middle. So when you name an angle, the vertex is in the middle. Here you can see the example angle. The symbol of angle is like this, angle ABC, the vertex is in the middle, or angle CBA, again the vertex is in the middle. This is the vertex B. By one capital letter also you can name the angle, just by you can name the angle as angle B. This can only be used if angle B is only angle in it could be. So angle B, if it is only one angle is made here, you can name it as angle B, or you can name it as angle by a some number. Now you can see here another way of naming an angle is in the middle you have written 1. So you can name the angle as angle 1. So three different ways you can name the angle: by the three alphabets like angle ABC or CBA, or just by using one alphabet angle B, or by using some number like you have written angle 1. An angle separates the plane into three parts. You can see this is a plane. Now it separates, this angle separates the plane in three parts. How? The angle inside part is the interior of the angle. The outside part, this whole the outside part, that light blue color, or you can see this the different colors it is shown. The interior part is shown by the sky blue color and the light blue color. Here you can see this is the exterior part, and the points which are on the angle, they are on the angle. So it is angle separates the plane into three parts: interior, exterior and on. Now let us see the example and understand it in a better way. Interior, point F is on the interior of angle V. Suppose you are naming this with one alphabet. This is angle V. Now point F is in the interior of angle V, sorry, and point S is in the exterior. Point S is in the exterior of angle V. This is outside, exterior, interior, that is inside. And point H is on angle V. That is, you can see it's lying on the ray, so point H is on angle V. Angle interior, just now we have seen any point that lies inside the rays of an angle. The points which lies inside the rays of an angle are all the interior points. Point B is in the interior of angle GHC, right? So this is an angle, GHC is an angle, and point D is in the interior of CHJ, or you can say GHJ. So point D is in the interior of GHJ or CHJ. And point A is not in the interior, it is in the exterior of angle. You can see it is outside, it is not inside the rays. So that is why it is the exterior point, it is not the interior point. How to measure the angle? We measure an angle by using a protractor. This is called a protractor. Protractor is used to measure or draw angle, right? And the unit of angle is degrees. You measure the angle in degrees. Now you can see here this protractor has two scales. Now this is 0, so this is the interior scale, and this is 0 here, this is the exterior scale. So when you start, if you keep your base here, you start from 0 in the interior scale, and if you take the base this side, you start from the exterior scale. Always you start measuring from 0. According to the types of measurements, let us see what are the different types of angle. Types of angles. So according to the measurement, less than 90 degree, acute angle, exact 90 degree is right angle, greater than 90 degree, you can see here, this is greater than 90 and less than 180, but so this is obtuse angle. Exact 180 degree is straight angle, reflex angle greater than 180, and one full rotation makes a 360-degree angle. That is a complete angle. It is also called as complete angle. Now let us see the definitions. Acute angle, an angle that is less than 90 degree. You can see here the angle which is less than 90 degree is just a perpendicular line like this. So less than 90 degree is all acute angle. Right angle, an exact angle of 90 degree. You can see here this is 90 degree. This is an right angle. Now obtuse angle, an angle that is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. So you can see here this is greater than 90 but less than 180. So such angles are obtuse angle. Straight angle, an angle that is exactly 180 degree. You can see here this is straight line. So it is making 180 degree, 90 and 90 this side. So 90 plus 90, 180 degree. Reflex angle, an angle that is greater than 180 and less than 360. 360 is full one rotation, but reflex angle is greater than 180. You can see here it is moving more than straight angle, but it is less than 360. And full angle is also called as complete angle, an angle that is exactly 360 degree, that is full one rotation, that is called as complete angle or full angle. Let us see the different measurement of angles formed by the hands of the clock. Now here you can see the time is, now the minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 6. So the time is 6 o'clock. Now 6 o'clock, what is the angle formed? The angle formed is 180 degree. That is a straight angle. You can see here this, how can you measure? See here, one division from 12 to 1 is of 30 degree because the whole total is 360 degree. So 360 if you divide by 12. So each part from 12 to 1 is of 30 degree. 30 plus 30 60. 60 plus 30 is 90. So this is 180. So 180, 6 o'clock, the angle formed is a straight angle, that is 180 degree. Now let us see the second example. Now it is 8 o'clock here. So what is the angle formed? You can just see here, this is 180, 180 plus 30 is 210, 210 plus 30 is 240. That is a reflex angle. So the angle formed here is a reflex angle and the measurement of angle is 240 degree. This is the unit of angle and it is written in small circle. This is called as degree. Now what is the angle formed here? That is 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock you can see here the angle formed is 300 degree. Just you can see here this is 180, 180 plus 90. There's 30 plus 30 60 plus 30 90. 180 plus 90 is 270. 270 and again 30. So 270 plus 30 is 300. So this angle is of 300 degree, this angle. And it is a reflex angle because it is more than 180 but less than 360. Which direction will you face if you start facing south and make one full revolution? So you are facing to south and making one full revolution. Let us see by a figure. Now see here, this is the direction south, this is north, south, east and west. So you are facing towards the south. So here you are and now you are taking full one revolution clockwise. See children, when you are moving clockwise, you are moving like this, and when you are moving anti-clockwise, you are moving like this, right? Clockwise this way, right? Anti-clockwise in a reverse way, right? So remember children, so when you are moving clockwise, you are moving from south and taking one full revolution. So where you are coming back to? You are coming back to south. So where you are facing to? Again, you are facing to south. Now again let us see if you take the same example for anti-clockwise. Now you're facing to south and taking again anti-clockwise one full revolution. So you are moving anti-clockwise and taking full one revolution. See, you are moving from here south and taking full one revolution anti-clockwise because we are moving anti-clockwise. That means you are moving from here to here in a reverse direction. So again you are coming back to the south, right? So again you are facing to south. So should we specify clockwise or anti-clockwise for this question? No need, because the answer is same, because you are taking full one revolution. Again you are coming to south. If you are moving also anti-clockwise, you can see here again you are coming back to south direction. You are facing to the south direction only. One more question. Which direction will you face if you start facing east and make 1.5 of the revolution clockwise? So let us see this example. east and make 1.5 revolution clockwise. So you are facing to east right here. This is east, west, north and south, and pull one revolution means you are coming back to east, and then again you are taking half more. So again the same direction clockwise you are moving to half more. So now you are facing to west. So you come to which direction you are facing to? You are facing to the west direction. Thank you, children. Keep practicing.